question ta bujh lene nucleoplasm tai nucleolus hone thik ase taron slide overview dirna nucleoplasm to nucleolus tamo suppose if this is a nucleus then the entire area is filled with fluid or the fluid filled area no nucleoplasm the nucleoplasm mo te isa mani tongo amane thajinga no nucleus structure no phunkrama sagatlia tarang sai mono it is a very dark body present this dark body is called as nucleolus okay so simply lane nucleoplasm de pre am pure pore sonene nucleolus okay now nucleoplasm is nothing but it is transparent colloidal material rich in enzymes for DNA replication such as DNA and RNA polymerase the nucleoplasm only the amount of nucleus being a fluid filled material the transparent fluid and colloidal of course among the nucleoplasm no the nucleoplasm the nucleoplasm various types of enzymes enzymes of most important enzyme DNA replication DNA no copy DNA no copy process no DNA replication no DNA copying na enzymes enzymes of no DNA polymerase and RNA polymerase for market bound the amni sini nucleoplasm tongo many divalent ions such as magnesium ion type manganese ion okay so sini nucleoplasm bontai pila itu transparent colloidal amni puri bino jo tam tom bino jo tongo kuma enzymes for DNA replication and bino jo tongo divalent ion such as magnesium and manganese tai sini je nucleoplasm tai ko mani tongman mani rumusung mRNA DNA RNA bokhnai boni full form answer khana mRNA na kang messenger RNA ba messenger ribonucleic acid ni hono tRNA na kang transfer ribonucleic acid ni hono RNA na kang ribosomal ribonucleic acid ni all many details sini molecular basis of inheritance ni chapter sun tongo apu polifuru omorni details amono sabon to ka nucleoplasm omani no thik ase tao amni pore dini chemical nature ni kok sana thaka nucleoplasm ni chemical nature no sana thaka was slightly alkaline mane it's a basic thik ase it's a basic dini pH busa it ranges average of 9 it is 7.4 but plus minus 0.2 decimal point pa amo RPC mono 7.4 plus 0.2 thanga ha to 7.6 thanga minus 0.2 thanga to 7.2 thanga thik ase so but average we will keep it as 7.4 slightly alkaline okay tar song kok sane nucleolus ni pare nucleolus of course tamo already ase pika sini nucleus o kaisa dark stained body tongo amon so nucleolus ni no the nucleolus ni jun history ni kok sang thanga thate bono for scientist Fontana ne bor discover khake eel ni cell the eel tamo eel kokro wahi to sum kucha ni no thik ase so kucha ani the cell bisingo ni nucleus bisingo nucleolus ma puila Fontana bono observe khake thik ase amni pore nucleolus ni mungrnai ni ate bone okay discovered by Fontana term given by Bowman the nucleolus ni function term oni sima thake nucleolus ni actually function bolte it is associated with NOR mane tamo nucleolar organizer region tamo nucleolar organizer region tamo ang sana thaka no chromosome na thangsine to bang kisa slide yang side na sini the chromosome how does it look like I have said that chromosomes look like butterfly structure like butterfly take that chromosome bottom chromosome consini on nucleoplasm okay chromosome consini on nucleoplasm the chromosome no given bokrogo jikon te dekha haike kaisa structure tongi mano okay joto chromosome tonge only few chromosome it has got a small stain structure here all the small stain structure some hoite form on nucleolus ni hoite form thik ase which I will discuss with you later in more details but o je chromosome ngi bokhro je black stain structure amo phayo bini nucleolus ne to nucleolus dissolve thang ta dissolve ngi ko o structure ro converting thang thik ase e o structure no se khono nucleolar organizer region yamaike am pore sini je nucleolus ni kuno membrane grei it is membraneless structure to khono bini membrane grei khono bini membrane toma hengo tamni bage because it has nucleolar chromatin fiber arranged in such a way that it looks like a membrane. Ta on bujna khamno sauna nucleolar chromatin fiber kunia just khutung hai manai. Okay, just khutung hai manai. And khutung hai pano it is actually called DNA. But no one patakin it looks like thread. ठीक है तो वो जो nucleolar chromatin fiber रो बरो भाई के arranging से यो कैसा है कैसा है कैसा है आगे के arranging में ना पूरा entire और पूरा structure में ना nucleolus नहीं ठीक है उनका ताऊ नॉइन है दी और जो structure और जो nucleolar chromatin fiber रो बरो और जो nucleolus नहीं membrane नो सलामा है तो यार but it is not membrane okay it is not true membrane but it looks like a membrane okay ताई all nucleolus ni kesalo tongo chemicals fluids okay o jagano te o jagano sengkno tamne pars amorpha okay so it is called pars amorpha and membrane like structure is not a membrane but it is called nucleolar chromatin fiber okay taksini nucleolus ni function of course as I have already told you it has the function of to be associated with nucleolar organizer region in chromosomes. I will give you a function to synthesize or produce kinani. They synthesize kinani for store kinani. Sabona agroconi ribonucleic acid RNA. Ribonucleic acid no sometime here RNA no ever ribosomal ribonucleic acid. So since the nucleolus tam khai punya khai to nucleolar organizer region associated with chromosome. आमने कोरे बिन तेजा फंक्शन ना को बो राइबोसोमल आरएनए नो सिंथेसाइज खाइ सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म एंड न्यूक्लियोलस सिने नेक्स्ट टॉपिक को संफाइने क्रोमोसोम्स नि